Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chaudhary. How are you all? I hope you all are doing fine on this day. So soon January started and so soon it's already the 5th and time is going so quickly and everywhere it is opening up. Lockdowns have again started in UK and all, where my friends keep telling me that there's a total lockdown in UK and other places, but US right now it is all right and everything is opened. All the businesses are just going as fine as it should be. That's a very good thing, at least in America. So friends, today I'll be sharing a very nice recipe and a simple recipe where all the kiddos love to eat Maggi noodles. So I'm making some noodles. This is the Maggi version, Maggi noodles which I get from the Indian stores. You can use this as top ramen noodles also. It will come out the same way. Okay, let's go into my kitchen. So here I've taken some 3.5 cups of water and I've put some peas and carrots. Over here I had made spring onions and I just kept the roots of it, and I have extra spring onions grown today. I'm feeling so happy. So always now you don't have to ever buy spring onions ever again, because you always have onions growing in your own kitchen. And I'll be using and chopping and growing. So here I'll be just taking out. See how much the roots have also grown so much. So this will be coming and reusing, and I have I have spring onions year round. So I'm so happy that I got so much of spring onions. I'll be adding them on this Maggi noodles which I'm making. Actually everybody knows how to make Maggi noodles, but I just wanted to show how I grew spring onions. And now I have spring onions again over here. I'll be placing it in a bowl, and we have to keep it straight and standing upright so that they can grow for the next time. And I'll be showing you again. I'm so happy that I can do some gardening in my own kitchen with the spring onions which I got only one time, and I'm so happy. I'll show you once they grow up more, and we need to add 1/4 cup of water, and I'll be adding fridge water. That's my filter water. So here I've taken some water. I'm going to add very little water just so that the container has water at the bottom. We don't need much, and I'll show you once it grows all over again. So I might have put only 1/4 cup, and here it looks like this. I'll keep it on my countertop and show you when my spring onions grow again. So I'll be adding the spring onions in this water, and I'm making Maggi noodles. So here I'm using chili garlic, and it gives a good flavor. So I'll add like 1 or 2 spoons, and I'm doing eyeballing over here. So now I'm adding the spice mix which comes in the Maggi packet. Actually it is so easy to make Maggi, but I just wanted to show you spring onions. So I'm trying to show you a new version of spring onions with Maggi. So here I have taken Maggi noodles. I'll just be cutting it into 4 pieces and dropping it. And let the water get absorbed by itself. So I'll just stir it and keep it, and let all water get absorbed and evaporated. So let's keep it over here and cover it for 2 minutes. So here the Maggi is cooked. It looks so delicious. It's smelling delicious actually. So it looks good. Looks so good and smelling so delicious. I'm sure it's going to taste so good. I just cannot wait to hear the reaction of the kiddos. So I'll just serve them and serve you guys. So here I have made it. Now I'm serving it, and the soup is so yummy that sometimes I only feel like having only soup. How many people are there who only like the soup of Maggi? Here are the colorful vegetables. It looks so delicious. Smells so good. So enjoy the first bite. Hot Maggi. So friends, if you have liked my channel, like it, share it, comment and subscribe. You can catch me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. Bye.